Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harshita Gizmo. So today we are going to see how to create a Flutter app for your website. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, open your browser and type in pub.dev. Type WebView in the search bar. Click on WebView_Flutter. Go to the installing tab and copy the WebView_Flutter dependency. Now open your project. In the project file under pubspec.yaml, paste the dependency in the dependencies, which we have just copied. Now run pub-get. Make sure there are no errors, and if it comes, then check your indentation. Now open your lib folder and main.dart. Let's import the dependency that we have just installed, which is WebView_Flutter. Now in the home, we are going to create a scaffold widget. Inside the scaffold widget, we are going to keep the safe area as the body. Inside the safe area, we are going to mention our WebView widget, which we have imported. Now inside the WebView, type initial URL and paste your website URL which you want to convert into an app. Now let's set the JavaScript mode to JavaScript mode dot unrestricted and run our app again. So as you can see, this develops a error that increase this project's minimum SDK version to least 19. Now open your Android folder in your main project folder, and then the app folder, and then your build.gradle. Inside the build.gradle, there is something called default config. Inside the default config, here is our minimum SDK version, set it to 16. Let's change it to 19 and run our app again. So as you can see, we have converted our website to a app. So it was this simple and easy. Thank you for watching my video. Hope it was useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified each time.